Now I explained about the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. No? Now in your textbooks you do the activity that is given in the page number 22. All of you open your textbooks, page number 22. So there they had given the list of the animals and the food the animal eats. There they had given the list of the animals. You can go through the list. They are the buffalo, cat, rat, lion, tiger, spider, house lizard, cow, human beings, butterfly, crow, cockroach. So you have to write down the animal, the food that it eats. So buffalo, it eats the grass, oil cake, hay, grains. Cat, it eats the small animals, birds, milk. Now I explain on the blackboard now about these animals. Rat, it eats the grains, nuts, fruits, vegetables, small insects. Lions, these are the meat eating animals. They eat the birds, cheetah, buffaloes. They won't eat these cheetahs and they won't eat these leopards. You write down the birds, buffaloes, deers. Next, tiger. You write down deer, goat, horse, buffalo. The same thing you write down for the lion also. Don't write this one. You write down this thing only. Tiger, what is the food that the tiger eats? The same itself you write down for the lion. Next one is the spider. Spider, it eats the insects, small lizards. House lizard, it eats the flies, silkworms. Flies, nothing but any kind of the flies, mosquitoes, house flies, cockroaches. All these are all the things that come under these flies. Silkworms, it eats butterflies also. It eats small insects. Next, cows. The same thing for the buffalo you have written now. That is leaves, grass, hay, oil cake. The same grains, leaves, oil cake, twigs, hay. Human beings, already I said human beings are the omnivores as they consume both the plants and the animals. So human beings, what they eat? They eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, meat. Already I explained these cereals. Foxtail millets, horse millet, all millets they come under these cereals. Rice, all they are the cereals. Meat, fish and grains. Butterflies, what they eat? Butterflies, they suck the nectar from the flowers. They suck the nectar from the flowers. Crows, have you seen this crows? Crow is an omnivore. So it eats the small animals, it eats the seeds, it eats the insects, worms, grass, nuts. Next, coming to that of the cockroach. Cockroach, it eats the starch products. Starch products means grains, rice products. Next one is meat, decaying matter. Decaying matter means the things that are waste material, waste things. కుళ్ళిపోయిన చెత్త ఉంటాయి కదా దాంట్లో కూడా it will feed. That is the thing where the cockroaches you will be seeing in your houses the leftover food or waste food that cockroach it is wandering on that food. So that is the thing the cockroach it eats. Now you have to extend the same table by adding still more things. Here the table he has given only some of the animals names. You write down remaining 5 animals. Extend the table by writing 5 animals and writing their food. Now here, see here in your textbooks, all of you, page number 23. So in that page, you have to answer the following questions based on the table 1. So here you have to answer the questions based on the table 1 that you have written previously. Here you see the first question. List the animals that depend only on plants and their products for food. You have to write down the names of the animals that depend only on plants which take as their food. For example, now I have written the animals that take on the food on the plants. They are cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, deer, rabbit. All these are all the animals that take only the plants and plant products. Second question you see, list the animals that depend only on animals and their products for food. So you have to write down the animals and their animal products. The names of the animals that eat only the animals. Example, lion, cheetah, tiger, leopard, wolf, fox. So you have to write down all these things in this line. Third question, you see, list the animals that depend on both plants and animals for food. So you have to write down the names of the animals that depend both on the plants and the animals. You can write down rat, you can write down the human being, you can write down the crow, you can write down the dog also. So these are all the things that you have to enter in your textbook, and you have to write down the same thing in your homework also. You have to write down both in the textbook and the homework, the table and the question and answers. These 3 questions and send to my number. Thank you.